Hey guys, how are you? And welcome to a new music class with Miguel. Today we're going to learn new bass exercises that will make you a little bit uncomfortable when it comes to rhythm because that is exactly the point. Okay, so let me just show you the first exercise. It's going to be this one right here. Okay, and it's more like a rhythm type of exercise. It's not so much for your left hand, but for your right hand and for your brain. Okay, so number one is not that difficult. Number two will be more difficult. But the thing here is that you're only going to use frets 3 and frets 5, but in different strings. Okay, so for the first bar, just play on the last string of the bass. In fret 3, you're gonna play quarter notes. So one per beat, like this: 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. On the second bar, you're gonna have the fifth fret of the third string of the bass, which is going to be, and it's going to be in 8 notes, so it's 2 per beat, like this: 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have the second string of the bass in the fifth fret, like this, quarter notes: 3, 4. And then you have 8 notes on the third string of the bass in the third fret, like this: 3, 4. Okay. Now the other thing is that for your right hand, you're going to be alternating fingers when playing each note. Okay. Never do two of the same finger right after the other. Okay. You have to alternate. Okay. So you can watch me playing, not only watching this hand but also this hand. So you can do one video view only watching my left hand, and then you can pause and you can rewind and see what I'm doing with my right hand. So let's just play the exercise. 1, 2, 3, and one more time. 3, 4. I think I made a mistake. I may have been, I don't know, distracted. Let me do it one more time. 3, 4. There you go. That is exercise number 1. Exercise number 2 is going to be a handful of problems. Why? Because you have this thing right here, the deaded triplet. Okay, let me explain what this is going to be. Since this is only going to be focusing on your rhythm and your right hand, I have only done it using the third fret of the third string right here. Okay, so just have it here and don't and forget about anything else with the left hand. Everything's going to be on this hand and in your brain understanding of what the rhythm is going to be. So the first bar, easy, quarter notes: 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have the second bar, which has triplets. It means that for every beat you need to do 3 8 notes. Okay. One word that I like to use to help me understand what the triplet sounds like is rápido. Rápido, 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 tacata, 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 tacata. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's going to be the triplet. Okay? Rápido, tacata. Okay? Then you have the third bar, which is going to be 16th notes. Okay? Which you did last week. Okay, and it's gonna be like, I think I did the word was rapidito, 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 rapidito. Okay, and then we go back to the fourth bar, which is simple 8 notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, the difficult part is that if you do each bar individually, okay, like isolated from the rest of the exercise, is not that hard. The hard thing is playing it continuously from bar 1 to 4, specifically changing from the second bar to the third bar because of this rhythm shift right here. Okay, so let me play the exercise and you're gonna see how it sounds. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one more time. 3 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? Bars 2 and 3 are gonna be hard, so that you need to practice to get yourself into the groove of playing triplets or 16th notes. Okay? Again, you're gonna be alternating your fingers when playing the exercise. So those are the two exercises that you have to do for your bass. If for some reason you don't have a bass, or if your bass is broken or it's missing a string, doesn't matter, you can use a guitar for that, okay? And that is it. As always, the task is going to be you recording yourself on video playing the two exercises. As always, you have 1 week to practice so you can record the best video possible. So that's it for this instrument task and this instrument video, and I will see you on the next class.